Welcome to this Blue Pearl Software presentation on loading a new project into the Visual Verification Suite. In this video, you'll learn how to load your HDL source files with the graphical user interface, both with and without a -f file, whether they're written in Verilog, VHDL, or a combination of both. We'll also show how the Visual Verification Suite supports libraries from the most popular FPGA vendors. In the main window, note that the auto-load feature is on by default. To begin the process of loading your HDL source files, always begin by opening the Design Settings dialog to the first page, which is the Design Files page. To enter your files directly, click on the green plus sign and, in the resulting dialog, navigate to your files, select them, and then click Open. From the Design Files page, it's also possible to select and delete any file you've entered. For each file, you can individually change the library and language settings, start a new compilation unit, or disable Translate Off commands. This particular Verilog example requires the specification of an include directory, which can be done from the Include Paths page. Click on OK, and the design automatically loads. It's also possible to utilize an external file, which is known to Verilog users as a -f or .f file. Here's an example. It's possible to load your design simply by referencing this file, provided it contains only synthesizable files with no simulation or test bench files. You can choose to make this file a permanent part of your design, in which case the file view list will show only the fact that you've chosen to do so. Another alternative is to use the -f file only as a means of populating the GUI. To do this, just click the Load -f file button. The tool then asks you to verify its interpretation of the file. Click Apply, and the GUI options are filled out for you. The -f file is now no longer needed. Click OK, and the design loads. Loading VHDL and mixed language designs is very much the same as the Verilog example we've just shown. On the Design Files page, notice the Auto Sort feature that can solve most issues that VHDL often has with compiling files in the correct sequence. Notice also that you can specify a particular architecture. Also, notice that up until now, the tool has been finding the root module on its own. Manually specifying the root module is optional for single language designs, but is mandatory for mixed language designs. The Design Settings dialog includes many other pages, which allow you to specify such features as specific language options, HDL libraries and library paths, and to choose any of our built-in FPGA vendor libraries. These include Altera, which is now owned by Intel, Microsemi, and several distinct Xilinx technologies and Vivado releases. We recommend using our built-in libraries rather than specifying them in your -f file. In this video, you've seen how to load a new project into the Visual Verification Suite, either with or without an external file. You've also seen how the Visual Verification Suite includes built-in libraries for Altera Intel, Microsemi Corporation, and Xilinx. That concludes this video presentation. Thanks for watching.